to ASAP XV! Yeah! Okay, Mickey, may important announcement ka daw. Ano yun?
Ayun po, in behalf of Helping Hands and Heart Foundation, maraming salamat po sa mga generous donation ninyo. If you want to support our educational project, please use it to donate a load of Globe. You can text simply HHH space the amount and send it to 2899. Again, HHH space the amount and send it to 2899.
Yes, guys, be with the in crowd by helping out those in need. Texting your donations now. Oh, by the way, Fernando's Bakery, thanks for the cakes last week.
At kung mas gusto niyo maging in with the in crowd, you guys have to get your very own ASAP apparel.
Yeah.
Available in all bomb equipment outlets nationwide. And complete your ASAP lifestyle and grab your very own ASAP apparel.
At ito naman na hindi mawala sa uso dahil ako nangarap din ako dito. Ang kantahan! On Full Circle, please welcome La Arnie Lozada, Lizelle Garcia, and Bugoy!
single, is
Opo,
it?
hindi na bali po. Ito po yung career single po ng album ko. Ang title niya po is Bugoy Dulong. Self-titled po siya. Under Star Records po. Maraming salamat po sa...
Ang ilang album mo na to?
Lahat-lahat po siguro. Kasama yung compilation 3 po.
Wow! I'm sure marami
Thank you
kang
po.
gustong pasalamatan.
Yes, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang Star Magic family ko po, Mr. M, Miss Mariol, Asa Family, Star Records, Sir Benny Saturno, Bugoysters, maraming salamat po, Sir George Belo, sa lahat po ng bumili ng album ko po, sa lahat ng radio station po na nagpe-play po ng kanta ko. Paano na kaya kung wala po kayo? Maraming salamat po at sa Mosimo po sa damit ko po. Maraming salamat po. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Kung hindi po sa inyo, hindi ko rin po maaabot yung mga pangarap ko. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Bugoy! Make sure that you guys get a copy of his latest album. Congratulations!
Thank you so much.
Susunod na mga kapamilya, Karil's birthday celebration. And of course, more surprises only here on